Hello beautiful people, this is De'Belle Makeovers. You're welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're welcome. So I have an updated eyebrow tutorial for you guys. It's been highly requested, so here you go. Before we get started, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can reach more people. So the first thing I'm doing is that I'm applying some primer on the brow and the area surrounding it. Normally, if I were doing my brows after foundation and all, I would have prepped the skin and applied primer, but because I'm doing only the brows first, I'm applying the primer so that I don't need to. I'll just apply primer on the remaining parts of the face when I'm doing the face. So after applying the primer, what I'm using right now is an eyelash glue. I'm using it with a mascara wand or a spoolie. I'm using it to brush the eyebrows up in a way. I'm using it to comb so that the brows will be straight and arranged in an upward direction. The idea behind this is to use something that will keep the brows in place all day. So you can choose to skip it, or you can use it, or you can use some other things like soap. Some people use got2b glue. Anything that you feel can hold your brows, and if you don't feel that you need it, then you can skip it. It's optional. Now I'm using a retractable eyebrow pencil to outline the brows. I'm starting with the lower part first. I'm outlining the underneath, then when I finish outlining the underneath, I'll move to the upper part of the eyebrows. Now I'm creating upward strokes to fill in the middle of the brows. Our brows are already full, so I don't really need to fill in so much. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. But if you have sparse brows, then you go just the exact way I'm going up, following the direction of your hair, and you fill in the brows, creating strokes so that it looks like hair. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the second eyebrow. So if you didn't get it the first time, you can watch it. I'm sure you'll be able to get it now. Now the next step is to highlight the brows. I'll be using a concealer and a foundation. For the concealer, I'm going about 3 shades lighter than her skin tone, and for the foundation, I used one that is a bit lighter than, just like 1 shade lighter than her normal skin tone. So I'll be using the concealer under the brows, and I'll be using the foundation for the upper part of the eyebrows, and I'm applying it with a very flat concealer brush. I'm bringing my concealer down because I intend to use it as a base for my eyeshadow as well. If that's not the case with you, of course you can use lesser amount of concealer. I need to stress it again that the brush you are using should be very flat. Whether it's an angled brush or a round brush or a flat brush, it must be very flat. That's what will give you the sharpness that you desire. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go in with a blending brush and blend out the foundation and the concealer. If there's anything you don't understand so far, please leave it as a comment in the comment section and I will respond to it. Also, when you are blending out the concealer or the foundation, try to pat, don't rub, so that you can maintain the intensity of the concealer that you applied. If you rub, it's going to be fading out and it's not going to look as highlighted as it looked before. You can see the difference between the highlighted one and the one that has not been highlighted now. Watch out for the game changer very soon. But for now, we are going to be repeating the same thing on the second eyebrow. Now will be a good time to like this video if you've not already, and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any videos in mind that you would like me to create, you can also leave them in the comment section and I will definitely work on them. If you watch this video to the end, you will see the finished look I created on the model. If you would like to see it, let me know in the comment section as well.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
So we are moving to the final and the best part. Here I'm using a very flat angled brush, like super flat angled brush, and I'm taking a very minute amount of foundation or concealer if you want. Then I'm drawing like hair-like strokes on the brows. Okay, just look at what I'm doing. Just upwards or the direction that you want. I'm just drawing them, making it look more natural. Can you see the difference between the first one and the second one now? So you just go gently with very little amount of foundation or concealer. If you feel like you went overboard with it, you'll see me do that. Just go back in with your pencil and lightly run it over the foundation or the concealer to reduce the intensity a little bit. And that's it. You have your beautiful eyebrows. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this eyebrow tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe and share to your friends. It will help my video to reach many more people. Thank you so much for always watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you